Decorating for Christmas with white can create a magical and serene atmosphere, evoking the beauty of a winter wonderland. The choice of white as a dominant color for Christmas decor offers a wide range of creative possibilities and advantages that can elevate your holiday decorations to a new level of elegance and sophistication. One of the most compelling reasons to use white in Christmas decorations is its versatility. White serves as a perfect backdrop, allowing other colors and elements to stand out. Whether you're combining white with metallics, pastels, or even bright hues, it brings a sense of balance and harmony to the overall design. For those who prefer a minimalist aesthetic, white can be used on its own to create a clean and modern look. A white Christmas tree, adorned with simple white ornaments and lights, can be striking in its simplicity and purity. The minimal use of color can highlight the beauty of the tree's natural shape and texture, making it a focal point in your holiday decor. Another advantage of decorating with white is the sense of calm and tranquility it brings to a space. The holidays can be a busy and sometimes stressful time, so creating a peaceful environment at home can be incredibly soothing. White decorations can help achieve this by reflecting light and giving the impression of a larger, more open space. Imagine a room filled with white candles, soft white throw blankets, and snowy white garlands. The ambience would be one of relaxation and serenity, offering a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of the season. Incorporating white into your Christmas decorations also allows you to play with different textures and materials. This can add depth and interest to your decor without overwhelming the senses. For example, you might combine fluffy white faux fur throws with smooth, glossy white ornaments and rustic whitewashed wood accents. The contrast between these textures creates a rich and layered look that is both visually appealing and tactily inviting. You could also mix different shades of white, such as ivory, cream, and pearl, to add warmth and dimension to your decorations. White also has the unique ability to enhance the sparkle and shine of holiday lights. Whether you're using twinkling string lights, shimmering icicle lights, or glowing candles, white decor can amplify the effect, making your home feel even more festive and magical. The reflective quality of white surfaces means that light bounces around the room, creating a soft, diffused glow that feels both cozy and luxurious. This is especially effective if you're decorating in a space with limited natural light, as the white elements will help brighten the room and make it feel more inviting. A white Christmas theme can also be highly adaptable to different styles and tastes. If you love a traditional look, you can pair white decorations with classic elements like red ribbons, green wreaths, and gold accents. This combination brings out the timeless beauty of Christmas while maintaining a fresh and modern feel. On the other hand, if you prefer a more contemporary style, you might opt for a monochromatic white palette, incorporating sleek and modern decor pieces like geometric ornaments, minimalist tree toppers, and metallic accents. This approach creates a chic and stylish look that is both elegant and understated. When it comes to Christmas tree decorations, a white theme can be particularly stunning. A white tree, whether artificial or flocked, provides a blank canvas that allows you to experiment with different ornament styles and colors. You might choose to keep the palette entirely white, using ornaments in various shapes and textures to add interest, or you could add a pop of color with metallic ornaments in silver, gold, or copper. White lights, whether warm or cool, can enhance the overall effect, creating a tree that is both cohesive and visually striking. Another way to incorporate white into your Christmas decor is through the use of natural elements. Think of snowy pine cones, white berries, and frosted branches. These can be used in wreaths, garlands, and centerpieces to bring a touch of nature indoors. The combination of white and natural elements creates a rustic yet refined look that feels both festive and organic. You might also consider using white flowers, such as poinsettias, amaryllis, or roses, to add a touch of elegance and freshness to your holiday decor. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, decorating with white for Christmas has practical benefits as well. White decorations are often easier to find and more affordable than those in more traditional colors. They also tend to be more durable, as they don't show wear and tear as easily as darker colors might. This means that your white Christmas decor can be reused year after year, making it a sustainable choice for the environmentally conscious. Moreover, white decorations are easy to mix and match with items you may already have, allowing you to update your holiday decor without a significant investment. White is also a color that transcends cultural and religious boundaries, making it a versatile choice for those who celebrate different holidays during the winter season. It can be incorporated into Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or winter solstice decorations with equal ease, making it a unifying and inclusive choice for holiday decor. This versatility makes white a practical option for homes where multiple holidays are celebrated, or where you want to create a more generalized winter theme. In your entryway, for example, white decorations can create a welcoming and festive first impression. A white wreath adorned with pine cones, white berries, and a touch of glitter can be hung on the door to greet guests with a touch of holiday cheer. You might also consider placing a white, flocked garland along the staircase or mantel, accented with warm white lights and a few carefully chosen ornaments. This creates a cohesive look that ties in with the rest of your decor, setting the tone for a sophisticated holiday atmosphere. In the living room, a white Christmas tree can be the focal point, but don't forget to carry the theme to other areas of the space. White throw pillows with holiday motifs, such as snowflakes or reindeer, can add a festive touch to your sofa, while a white faux fur throw blanket can add warmth and comfort. A coffee table centerpiece featuring white candles, frosted pine cones, and a mix of white and silver ornaments can further enhance the winter wonderland feel. The dining room is another space where a white Christmas theme can shine. A white tablecloth, paired with white or silver tableware, creates an elegant and inviting setting for holiday meals. You might choose to add a white runner down the center of the table, accented with white candles, silver candlesticks, and a sprinkling of faux snow. For a more personalized touch, consider creating white place cards with each guest's name, perhaps tied to a small white ornament or a sprig of evergreen. In the kitchen, you can keep the white theme going with simple touches that make a big impact. White dish towels with subtle holiday patterns, a white ceramic cookie jar in the shape of a snowman, or even a display of white mugs and plates can add to the festive atmosphere. If you enjoy baking, white frosted cookies, cupcakes, or a gingerbread house dusted with powdered sugar can double as both treats and decor. Bedrooms can also benefit from a touch of white Christmas decor. A white comforter or duvet cover, paired with white or silver accent pillows, can transform your bed into a cozy retreat. You might also add a small white tree to the corner of the room, decorated with soft, white lights and a few simple ornaments. White string lights hung around the windows or along the headboard can create a warm and inviting glow, perfect for relaxing during the holiday season. If you have outdoor space, don't forget to extend the white theme to your exterior decorations. White icicle lights hung along the eaves of your home create a classic and festive look, while white LED candles placed in the windows add a touch of warmth and charm. A white wreath on the door, white poinsettias and planters, and even a white snowman figure on the porch can complete the look, making your home a true winter wonderland. Incorporating white into your Christmas decor also allows for creative DIY projects. For instance, you could create your own white ornaments using clear glass or plastic balls filled with artificial snow, white feathers, or glitter. Handmade white paper snowflakes can be strung together to create garlands or hung individually in windows. You might also consider crafting white candle holders using frosted glass jars, adding a tea light inside to create a soft, glowing effect. Finally, decorating with white for Christmas allows you to create a timeless look that will never go out of style. While trends in holiday decor may come and go, white remains a classic choice that always feels appropriate and elegant. Whether you prefer a traditional, modern, or eclectic style, white can be adapted to suit your taste, ensuring that your holiday decor remains fresh and beautiful year after year. In summary, decorating for Christmas with white offers numerous advantages, from its versatility and calming effect to its ability to enhance light and texture. It is a practical, sustainable, and timeless choice that can be adapted to suit any style or taste. Whether you choose to go all white or simply incorporate white elements into your existing decor, the result will be a stunning and serene holiday setting that brings joy and peace to your home.